In 2021, Auckland has been in lockdown for 3 months. That was hard and stressful for everyone. I hope 2022 brings us health, wealth and happiness. We made a holiday plan early this year before the lockdown. We were not sure if we'd make it because of the Delta outbreak. We finally made it. Our road trip has started. We departed Auckland on Christmas Eve, non-stop driving to Wellington to catch the Inter-Islander ferry, crossing the Cook Strait and arriving in Picton at midnight. That was unbelievable. Our plan is to explore the upper part of the South Island, including a sailing holiday in Queen Charlotte Sounds as well. We will be traveling around Marlborough region, Westport, Greymouth, Lewis Pass to Hanmer Springs, Kaikoura, Blenheim and Picton to catch the Inter-Islander ferry again. We didn't forget Farewell Spit, that was worth visiting, after windy mountain roads. That was amazing. I've already made a video about Picton and the teaser for our 2022 holiday adventure. See what is next in today's video. Enjoy! We are in the Farewell Spit. There is a limited restricted area we don't have access to. It's a protected natural land. Farewell Spit is a narrow sand spit at the northern end of the Golden Bay, South Island of New Zealand. It runs eastwards from Cape Farewell, the island's northernmost point. Farewell Spit stretches 34 km long, making it one of the longest natural sand spits in the world. A wetland of international importance. It's been a bird sanctuary since the 1930s and provides a home to over 90 bird species. It's a protected area, being more strictly protected than a national park, so we couldn't see it to the end. Only a guided tour is permitted. We should have booked it before, and we had a limited time, maybe another time. And this land like a little peninsula, but it's a very thin, long, sandy land, and from some point where we are not allowed to go, and you can go to the end That's the last point. There are special eco tours. You can organize that, but for me, I think it's for today. This is the last place we visited. I guess playing football. We get a pass. On the ground. I'm not fit. Now we're on holiday. We still have chance for training. It's long ball to me. On the ground again. See, like this. Oops. I'm done.